Hello guys, welcome back again and make sure to check out my other videos on my channel. Today I just installed my very cheap two-way alarm system and I can't believe it guys, it worked amazing. You know guys, it's very easy to install this alarm and I thought it was complicated but it's not. So for those of you who wants this tutorial, just let me know and I will make a video tutorial for you so you can save your money and also help protect your bike. Let me show you how this works. This is a key finder in case you forgot where you park your bike. Just hit that button and you will find your bike, alright? So this one is a remote start button. By pressing twice, your bike will start without key. You can turn it off by pressing unlock button. To arm the alarm silently, you need to press the lock button 5 times and you will hear the 3 beeps and your bike is in the silent mode and only the remote will arm. When your bike is armed and the thief is trying to insert key into ignition, your bike will alarm.